What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to blend two or more images on Midjourney. So Midjourney is a popular image generation platform based on the prompts that you enter. However, there is an option or a command that you can use to blend two or more images together. And that's the /blend command. And once you enter it in the chat, /blend, it'll give you this prompt to choose two images, so you can attach two images, you can upload them or drag and drop them each in their individual location, and you can also have the option to add a third, fourth or fifth image, so you have up to 5 images or more even that you can choose and then blend together with this /blend command on Midjourney. So that's how you blend two or more images from your computer. However, you have of course to download the images first on your computer. So if they are images from the web, you have to download the images in like JPEG or PNG and so on, image format, and upload the images directly from your computer to blend them on Midjourney.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.